Hi, today I want to talk to you about how to make money from Warrior Plus. This is essentially affiliate marketing from Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus, in case you're not aware, is a online affiliate platform. There's lots of different affiliate platforms out there, and these affiliate platforms are where product vendors, they create a product, they list it on the affiliate platform in the hopes that affiliates will come, find the product, and then promote it for them. And then the affiliate makes a commission when a sale happens, and the vendor makes a sale and earns a buyer as well. And so this is affiliate marketing, and today we're specifically talking about using the Warrior Plus affiliate platform. Now, Warrior Plus is mostly aimed at products in the make money online niche. So it can be anything from courses that are being taught, it can be PLR launches, private label rights products, it can be software, etc. Now, one thing about Warrior Plus is they sometimes will have some things that are sketchy. So it's just the best way to say it. More where they're, products that maybe are promoting, what people are hoping and dreaming, to push a button and make $1 million overnight. And so sometimes products may, come across that way and again, be a little sketchy, may look a little scammy, etc. Or seem to kind of overhype, over promote what they're really able to achieve. But there's also lots of reliable, solid products and vendors on Warrior Plus as well. So you do need to be a little careful when you log into Warrior Plus. Here I'm in my account. First you'll see they have a list of based on time, day, today, yesterday, the last 7 days, last 30 days, their top selling products. You can click on any of these. So for today, if we click on this one, it'll open up their sales page, this play to profit. And so again, you have to just kind of go through when you're looking to promote a product and see, exactly what it is about. Now, ideally, you'd like to, on the sales page, the product to tell you exactly what it is, exactly what they do and what they make, how it works and how it's going to benefit you. So that is how you can kind of look, or you can see what the top selling products are over the past time. The other place, though, is if you go and click on Marketplace, you can go, and home is where we are. The top products, is where we are here. You can see the top products. But categories actually can be a good place to look, because especially if you're specifically, this is where they break it down by category. If you're specifically looking for software products, maybe you want things that are mobile software or WordPress related, you can go in here and find things in that specific category. So maybe you like promoting SEO services, copywriting, whatever it happens to be. Maybe you like promoting certain methods, so Amazon or eBay, Kindle, etc. This is where you can find much more specific things. PLR, private label rights, that's a big area. So Warrior Plus, you need to go in here and find products. The other way you can do that is if you go under the affiliate and offers section. This is where you can, just find any offer. You can search for it by the offer title keyword. If you know the vendor, you can sort. So these are being sorted by Pulse Score, which is kind of a popularity. You can search by launch date, so you can see which ones have come out. And then also you can look at the launch calendar and see what our product launches are upcoming. And then they do categorize it by, the release date, the number of sales that have happened, the conversion rate, so what percentage of people that visit actually end up making a sale, the visitor value, again, if you send 100 people and it converts at 34%, how much is that, basically per click, the average sale, if a sale is made, and then this is always important to look at is the refund rate, because obviously a high refund rate is not good. And you can see there's quite a variety here. These are, products that have been released in date order, and then it's interesting to see the product, how many sales they've had. And so you'll see some big sellers, and you'll see quite a few small. So this profit net, obviously fairly small. I'm sorry, is quite a bit, over 2,000, and then you see this one has only sold 5 copies so far. So this is another way to look here. They do assign kind of a status for marketers. So this is a vendor who's in the top 5%. So they've sold a lot of products on Warrior Plus. They're in the top 5% of all vendors have sold, and then also if they've had featured offers in the past, and so you can kind of get a little more information. Now, again, you gotta be a little careful. Just because they sell a lot of things on Warrior Plus does not necessarily mean they're the best products. So you need to do your own due diligence. And so let's talk a little bit about how you're going to earn commissions. So let me pull up this graphic that I made that really kind of explains it simply. The sales process really involves having traffic that you're sending to a sales page, and then you earn a commission. It's really that simple. Now, the key for a lot of people struggle with is, how do you get your traffic? There's several different ways to get traffic, free methods, paid methods. I like free traffic. I know a lot of people like paid traffic. It's really up to you. But some free traffic sources that work really well, YouTube is awesome. YouTube is a great free traffic source. You're watching this video that I'm making right now, and it's a source of free traffic for me. Now, whether you'll do something or not is totally up to you, but it's a avenue for me to get traffic. Blogs are still a very popular way. People searching for content on a search engine, they see your blog post, they go to it, and if they like what they are reading or seeing on YouTube or reading on a blog, then hopefully they'll click on your affiliate link, which will take them to that product's sales page. And if they make a purchase, then you earn a commission. And that's really how it works. Now, there's lots of other traffic sources, certainly, that you could go after. Social media, different Web 2.0 property type sites where you can post information like Medium and Quora and things like that. So you just really need to pick a traffic source and then provide helpful information that will encourage people to click your affiliate link and go on. Now, if you're looking at trying to get YouTube up and started, I really like YouTube. I think it's a great traffic source and would certainly encourage you to think about it as well. Now, obviously, I'm not, when I first started, I did not like putting my picture, up, was kind of, camera shy, etc. But you can get over that quickly, and you do not necessarily need to, put your face on the video. You can make faceless videos, so that's not a problem. If you want to learn how to get a YouTube channel set up quickly, monetize quickly, because the great thing about YouTube is you can not only earn by affiliate sales, and that's really how you'll make most of your money, is through affiliate sales, but you can also earn from their AdSense. You could easily earn several $100s a month, and really several $1,000s a month is not unrealistic through the ads that are shown on your YouTube videos on your channel. And so, but this is in essence the sales process. You just need to get some traffic coming in, promote something that is viable product that people would be interested in, have them click on your link, that'll take them to the sales page, and then you earn a commission. So, if we go to my channel, Online Verve, you can see this channel got set up, and I'm at 1,300 subscribers right now, but that's grown very quickly. And you can just see, I do have some instructional videos. I do have some review videos as well. And the review videos and the instructional videos are one, to help people, but then also to, promote products that I think will help people. Now, I try to only promote products that I either use myself or that I know will work because of their reputation and their longevity. And then you just upload videos. And if you upload consistently, then you will start to see results. So I hope this has helped you. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe so you can get future content. And thanks so much for watching.